Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're doing a comparison between CLAUDE AI and ChatGPT. Now, we want to see, this is like the ultimate AI showdown in 2025. We want to see which is the best. Now, because we know that choosing the right AI chatbots can be confusing. There are so many options available, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Now, how do you decide which one is the best for you? ChatGPT, we know, has actually become a household name. But is it really the best? What about CLAUDE AI? This one. Now, is it a worthy competitor? What are the key differences between the two, and how they stack up against each other? So, in this ultimate search showdown, we're going to compare both of them head to head. Let's get started. Let's start with. Should we start with CLAUDE or should we start with Chat? Let's start with CLAUDE. And this is CLAUDE AI. Now, this is a new kid on the block, but don't underestimate it. CLAUDE AI is a powerful chatbot from Anthropic. It is still in its early stages, but already making waves for its impressive abilities. Think of it as the cool, collected sibling to the ChatGPT's sometimes wild antics. That's right. So, the key benefits are massive context windows. You can handle a whopping 100,000 tokens. That's like remembering a whole novel's worth of conversation. It is designed to be harmless and helpful, following a set of ethical guidelines. It has enhanced safety and reasoning. It's less likely to generate harmful or misleading responses compared to other models. And when it comes to pricing, it has the free plan, it has the pro plan, the team plan, and the enterprise plan. Just check them out here. So for the free plan, $0, pro plan $20 per month, team $25 per month, enterprise you have to contact sales for that. Now let's look at the pros and the cons. Now the pros is that it has a massive context window, which is a game changer. It focuses on safety and ethical AI, which is also reassuring, and it's constantly improving itself with new features and capabilities. Now when it comes to the cons, it is still in its beta testing stage, and so there are occasional hiccups. Access can be limited during peak times, especially with the free plan, and the model can be the model can be a bit slow compared to others, especially when handling large requests. And let's go to ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT. Yeah, I was trying to create an account, so let's go back. So ChatGPT is your AI bot that's always up for a chat, as we know. It can write stories, it can answer questions, and even try to crack a joke or two. It is really versatile. Now, it has benefits of super creativity, always learning, surprisingly knowledgeable. It has a vast amount of knowledge, of information. When it comes to pricing, we have the basic, and then we have where you can upgrade it to the ChatGPT Plus, which is $20 per month. It gives you a faster response, priority access, and early access to new features. Now, if the pros and the cons, it's easy to chat. It feels like talking to a friend, yes, and does a lot of stuff like help with homework, writing, and more. It is free to use, you can use it without paying, and it learns new things, it gets smarter over time. Why the cons is that it's not always right. Yes. So it does make mistakes sometimes, and its answers can be repetitive, so it can sound boring, and it can take a while to answer, so it is slow sometimes. Now let's compare the features of both CLAUDE and ChatGPT. So if we want to compare the features between them, let's get started with the context window. CLAUDE AI boasts a massive 100,000 tokens context window, allowing it to remember and reference vast amounts of information in a conversation, which is a significant advantage over ChatGPT's more limited context window. Then when it comes to image generation, right now CLAUDE AI currently does not offer image generation capabilities. But ChatGPT can generate images through integrated tools, opening up a whole new realm of creative possibilities. So in image generation, ChatGPT knocks out CLAUDE AI. When it comes to context window, CLAUDE AI knocks out ChatGPT. So it's a 1-1. Let's go. Next, in safety and ethical considerations, CLAUDE AI is developed by Anthropic, an AI startup co-founded by former OpenAI members with a strong focus on AI safety concerns. It uses a technique called conversational AI to align its responses with ethical principles. While ChatGPT also prioritizes safety, but it has faced criticism for occasionally generating harmful or biased content. So, for this, CLAUDE AI knocks out ChatGPT 2-1. Moving on to internet access. Cloud AI currently does not have direct internet access, which can limit the ability to provide up-to-date information. So ChatGPT can access the internet through plugins enabling to search for and incorporate real-time information into its responses. ChatGPT knocks it out. So that's a 2-2. Let's go to customization. Now, when it comes to customization, Cloud AI also offers some customization options, but it is not as extensive as that of ChatGPT. ChatGPT knocked it out again. That is 3-1 with ChatGPT in the lead. Moving on to pricing. When it comes to pricing, Cloud AI offers a free trial and a paid Cloud Pro plan with expandable features. While ChatGPT, both ChatGPT Plus and the free version provide powerful capabilities, with the paid plan offering additional benefits. So when it comes to this, CloudGPT wins again. That is 4-2. ChatGPT seems to be winning this round. Let's move on to availability. When it comes to availability, Cloud AI is currently available in the US and UK with plans for further expansion, while ChatGPT is widely available across the globe. So ChatGPT strikes again. 5 for ChatGPT and 2 for Cloud AI. So at the end of the comparison, you can see who's winning. But don't forget that Cloud is just in the beta testing stage, so it might get better. So what do you look for when choosing an AI chatbot? 1. Look for accuracy and reliability. Yes, can the chatbot understand your request and consistently provide accurate, helpful response? Check that. Check the ease of use. Check the integration. Can the chatbot integrate with your existing tools and workflows? Check that. Check customer support. Reliable customer support in case you encounter any issues. Check feature development. Is it actively working on improving the chatbot and adding new features? So after all this, we have a final verdict. Yes. And the end of the ultimate AI showdown between Cloud AI and ChatGPT, showcasing their unique strengths, we can see that ChatGPT excels at the creativity and create images, while Cloud Free's version impresses with its fast context window and strong focus on safety. Unlike ChatGPT, Cloud AI is still under development, but its potential is undeniable, especially with the advanced Cloud Opus model. So ultimately, the best chatbot for you depends on your specific needs and priorities. If you value safety and in-depth conversations, Cloud AI might be the perfect fit. But if you need a versatile tool for creative tasks, CloudGPT could be your go-to. Also, if you're wondering which of them is better for business, I will answer that both Cloud AI and ChatGPT have business applications. You see, Cloud AI's strength in handling large amounts of information makes it suitable for tasks like data analysis and report generation, while ChatGPT, with versatility and creative capabilities, can be used for content creation, marketing, and customer service.